Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9 channel. So here I am going to discuss this question statement IELTS writing task 2 that was part of 4th February IELTS exam. Okay, so I always advise you before filling the exam main date for your exam, always look at your hard-earned money, finances before for giving this exam. You are going to give so much money. Okay, so it's better to prepare first and then bring confidence in your practice, then you fill up your IELTS IDP exam. Okay, so let's read this question statement. Always read the question statement 3-4 times. Please analyze the question topic accordingly. Let's read it with me. Some people argue that the use of animals in medical research for the benefit of humans is acceptable, while others believe that it is wrong. So you must be wondering why S is there. Now I have cut it. Okay, this is not S because here S is here. Benefits of humans is not good, is not correct. Benefit of humans, when you are using here last part of the phrase S, then here single word will come. Same go with lot of stories, not lots of stories. No, lot of stories will come. This is the example. Let's come to the point. Here main topic is whether this is good or bad doing medical research on animals. This is the main topic they are saying, and you can read it. I am just holding it. Okay, some people argue that the use of animals in medical research for the benefit of humans is acceptable. Others believe it is wrong. Discuss both views. Now how to plan this essay. Okay, so first, as I told you, we have to analyze the topic. Main topic is medical testing on animals. Okay, so roughly I am doing it because this you have to do it on your rough paper. Medical testing on animals, good or bad, you just think like that. Okay, good or bad, but good and bad. So there are 2 point of view. One is saying good, it is acceptable. Others are saying it is bad for animals. Okay, so after this you just revise what is the format of the essay. As you know, first we will be writing introduction. For first paragraph, 4 paragraphs will be there. First introduction, then body paragraph 1 you will be explaining the first point of view, and then in body paragraph 2 you will be explaining second point of view, and then last you will be having conclusion. Okay, 4 paragraphs are required and minimum 250 words. Okay, I am just revising your things. And but how many you have to write? At least you have to write 300 words, 300 or 310 or 290, anything, but not only 250. This is the minimum criteria. If you write less than that, they will cut your bands. Okay, so now after that, first this we have done, second we have done vocabulary. What vocabulary you can use it for these special words, because every time we are not going to use the same kind of words in the essay. Medical research, animals, humans, acceptable, no. So I will tell you what kind of words you can use it. For some people, well-wisher of human beings. Okay, well-wisher of human beings, because they, in first point of view, they are talking about benefits of human. That's why I have written here well-wishers of human beings. You can write. Second, others means those who are saying that it is wrong. So others, animal lovers, animal right activities, advocates of animals, and you can write these words. Now for medical research you can write medical experiments on species or animals, testing, lab activities, you can write these words. For benefits means well-being, or so many things you can write. So now I remember only well-being. Wrong, unethical. Okay, so wrong is unethical because they are doing wrong things with animals, so that's why I have written unethical. Okay, now what points you are going to discuss in body paragraph? So I will show it to you. Okay, So first paragraph, I will show it to you what points we can discuss. So this is my first body paragraph. I will be writing first point of view for the benefit of humans. Okay, so what we are going to write? Of course, first in planning, you have to plan your ideas, what you are going to write, explore, what you are going to write or expand these points in the body paragraphs. Okay, so it's important to just think about the points in advance. So first point, I will be writing best treatment with the help of drugs. So when we are doing these medical treatments on animals. Okay, so next is example. I will be sharing example about COVID-19 days. So I will just show it to in my written essay. So another reason is main important reason is life expectancy increase for human being, and healthier life we can have if we are doing these medical treatments on animals. Okay, so these points I will be telling you, I will be explaining it in my essay for the benefit of humans. Okay, second paragraph. So for second paragraph, what we are going to write, where we have to show another point of view, that they are saying not good for animals. Okay, why? Because it leads to cruelty on animals. Definitely it will bring side effects. They have to bear side effects. Animals, we are talking about animals. Now here we are showing why it should not be done on animals. We are showing favor kind of thing for animals, and they have their own rights also as a creature on this planet. So we will be discussing these 2 points in body paragraph 2. Okay, so I will show you the full page. Now you can see my planning for both the paragraphs. First, for the benefit of human beings, these medical tests. Second, not good for animals. These points we will be discussing, explaining in body paragraphs in essay. So let's look at my essay, how I have written it. I will explain it to you everything. Okay, so again let's read the question statement. Some people argue that the use of animals in medical research, sorry this was mistake, medical research for the benefit of humans is acceptable, while others believe that it is wrong. Okay, discuss both views and give your opinion. So this is my essay. For this I will be writing my introduction. That introduction you can see. You can write any general statement about medical testing on animals. It's always acceptable. Now I have started doing paraphrasing of question statement. Okay, so how we can do it? Just look at this. Many medical scientists are in favor that animal testing, medical scientists, instead of many people believe that this and this I have written, because we are talking about medical testing. Okay, medical research. So that's why many medical scientists are in favor that animal testing in this world, in this medical field, has positive impact on humans well-being. Okay, or welfare you can write, but write only one. Not, you should not write in your exam oblique this. No, you will not write. This is not allowed. So I will do it big cut. Okay, you should not. I have done it because I want to show it to you. I want to tell you. You can write this also. On the contrary, first point of view. Now second point of view, what they were saying, others believe it is wrong. On the contrary, animal lovers, now because they love animals, that's why they are saying it is wrong to do medical testing. That's why they are animal lovers, argue that it is inappropriate. Okay, instead of wrong, it is inappropriate, it is unethical also you can write. Okay, now my opinion, according to my opinion, while ethical issues are vital to consider, means these for animal lovers, so this sentence structure I am using, although also you can use ethical issues are vital to consider, this kind of medical lab activities, no, this is wrong. So that's why after writing your essay in 40 minutes, last 5 minutes you should spare it for your rereading of essay. So now I have come to know about my mistake. So this is not this. Here medical lab activities means these activities. Okay, these activities, these kind of medical lab activities are more advantageous. Instead of benefits, I have written advantageous for weak people. For patients also you can write to increase life expectancy. Okay, this essay will not only elaborate both aspects of animal testing, but also my personal point of view. Okay, this is this thing. Or at the end you can say, I personally support first point of view. I'm in favor of first point of view. You can write this also. Okay, so now first body paragraph I will be writing about those who favor medical research for human welfare. Okay, so I will be writing my first body paragraph. I will show it to you. Okay, now here I have started with, on the one hand also you can start, on the one hand, because there are two opposite point of views, comma, then, or you can write this one also. Anything you can just start with these, anyone. Having a healthier and long life, most of the people are convinced. First you have to just give some kind of definition whenever you are starting your paragraph. It's always better. Or simply you can start, there are two reasons for supporting animal testing on human beings. Firstly, secondly, you can start this much also. So I have started like this. Having a healthier and long life, most of the people are convinced that experiments bring better treatments in the form of drugs to eradicate the dreadful disease, okay, or harmful disease, you can say. Just because of these lab activities, human beings have a safe feelings on this planet by doing many research actions, firstly on animals, especially rabbits, rats, monkeys and many more, because they are having almost same bones and other body systems. Okay, this I have given reasons why on these specific animals, because of this. And one thing I have forgotten to write here, and secondly, firstly on animals, and then secondly on, you can complete the sentence, and secondly on human beings for disease treatment. Okay, so incomplete sentences will not work. You have to write each and every minute detail with the sentence. Whatever point you have picked up in body paragraphs, always explain it fully. Fully developed essay should be there. Now my example. For instance, human society could have saved from COVID-19. This is wrong impression, wrong thing. Could save. In past we are talking, that's why we are showing our ability, model verb. Could save, not saved, from COVID-19, a dreadful disease virus, because of intense research have done on animals. Because COVID-19, a dreadful virus, because of intense research done on animals within 6 months, and the result was Covaxin and Covishield vaccinations. However, before these vaccines, the number of, so this way you can find your own mistakes. Okay, now move on to my next page. Was the number of death rate was at higher rate. Okay, apart from it, not only these medicines, we are living healthier life, but also not only because of these medicines. Because of these medicines, we are living healthier life, but also expecting long life for our future generations. Okay, hence now I am concluding the paragraph. Hence, animals can be used for humans' welfare. Okay, or human being welfare, you can write it. Now this is my first body paragraph. Second body paragraph for not supporting this medical test on animals. On the other hand, because in first body paragraph we have written on the one hand or to commence with, now we are going to write opposite things from first paragraph. On the other hand, the advocates of animals have their own perception for not killing these creatures because of unethical and unsafe. Now these two reasons, unsafe for animal species. Okay, First of all, when medical scientists, now reason, I am going to explain these two reasons. First of all, when medical scientists are doing drug or vaccine experiments on these particular species, they also have same kind of pains as human beings. Okay, to be more clear, these actions are full of cruelty, causing death in horror. These actions are full of cruelty, causing death in horror. Side effects can be seen, and permanent disability can affect animals' life tenure. So this fully I have explained, developed why it is unethical and unsafe for animal species. Okay, now next is, moreover, next point, next thing I want to discuss, moreover, animal rights activist. Now here I was using the advocates of animals. See, so instead of people, so I have just taken out so many things. You should learn these things from my essays. According to the topic, you should use these things. So animal rights activists demand more rights from United Nations organization, okay, UNO, to safeguard these innocent animals, okay, rights, or you can write, and raising their voices against this cruelty, and they are raising their voices against this cruelty. Therefore this should stop immediately. Okay, they are asking this should stop immediately. Now you can see my second body paragraph. I will show you the full essay at the end, but let's look at the conclusion first. Okay, in conclusion, although animal testing violates, although sentence structure is very important, or you can start with your opinion first, then you give this sentence structure, no issue. So I believe this you can write first, and then you can start, you can give another point of view also. So in conclusion, although animal testing violates the moral ethics and lives of these test subjects, okay, test subjects means animals, I believe that this is an alternative to live longer and disease-free life by pre-testing medical experiments on certain species, certain animal species. This is not allowed in exam. If you know you have forgotten, then erase the word, write it here, and then this word will come here. Okay, so this you can do it, but not, this is not allowed in there, they will not read it. Okay, so this is my conclusion, or you can just write in conclusion, after considering and analyzing the aforementioned points in the above paragraph, so I have come to the conclusion that, then you can write this, I believe that this is an alternative, although it is you can write, because you have to write the main important thing from both the paragraphs. That's why this line is also important, it will come at the end, you can write it, and you can always suggest something if you want to suggest it. Okay, I will show you the full essay, just a minute, you can have a look. Now this is the second page, this is my full essay. Okay,